Here I have OPPO A96, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and go to the watermark, and here you can enable it. You can change author's name, you can set device model, date and time, location, you can change size of your watermark, and you can also change its position. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.